Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to split a PDF into separate files on your Mac using iLovePDF. No downloads or installs required. Let's dive in. First, open Safari, or your favorite browser, and navigate to ilovepdf.com/splitpdf. I'll leave the link in the description. Once the page loads, click Select PDF File and choose the PDF you want to break apart. You'll see a blue progress bar as your file uploads automatically. When the PDF preview appears, you have two options: extract pages to pull out specific pages into a new document, or split by range to divide the file into multiple segments. If you want individual pages, click on each page thumbnail you need. If you prefer ranges, switch to split by range, enter your page intervals, for example, 1 to 3 and 4 to 6. Then click Split PDF. iLovePDF will process your selections in just a few seconds. Perfect time to stretch or grab a quick coffee. As soon as the split is complete, a Download Split PDF button will appear. Click it, and your separate PDF files will download as a single zip to your Downloads folder. Double-click the zip to unzip and open each PDF in preview to confirm everything looks just right. And that's it. Fast, easy, and entirely online with iLovePDF. If this tutorial helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple Mac tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.